feet. Couple more things for the Street Fighter. I plan on getting on it, doing a few little things this weekend. A couple of these things should be cosmetic, and a couple of them should be necessary, like this. This is very necessary. As you can see, triple tree. I needed this. Working well. I have to check the connections. This one had like a little cover to go over the bottom of these, but I'll check it. Not too bad. I may end up painting it though. So I'll wipe it down and everything. I may end up painting it black. That was necessary. So like I said, some of this other stuff was cosmetic. Basically to move the project along. Oh, my gloves. Man, I'm gonna on these gloves forever. My gloves, I got some more riding gloves. Been needing some. Feel pretty good. Don't have to break them in, but then they got the touch on them. Feel pretty good. Foot pegs. Needed them. You remember me showing you when they had dropped the bike, they had broke the foot pegs. Got me some black foot pegs here. I think this is probably gonna be the new grips. I ran across some grips on eBay that I liked, and they wasn't real expensive, so no, that's that foot plate. Yeah. Foot plate. The one side, which was broken, let me show you here. We got it kind of situated. So as you can see, the one is broken right there. I'm trying to get you in a better spot. Right here is where the foot peg goes, and it was broken off. So I was thinking I could probably fabricate this and make it work for me. So I'm gonna just kind of check it out and figure out how I'm gonna do it. Because I have to have two mounting spots, two mounting bolts. Two spots where I can mount it, and then everything will be good. Because I also thought about Probably don't need that back further. Check the liner, that's 2 holes right there. I thought about maybe going with some what's that? The racing pegs. Yeah, I thought about going with the racing pegs because they are adjustable. And like I said, if I have to, I'll fabricate me some. Didn't really want to because the ones of these like this here, they are very expensive. And so that's why I was like, no, forget that. I'm not gonna pay that kind of money for them, you know. So I decided, you know, I'm just gonna either try something like that or I'm gonna fabricate me something. Just setting that triple tree on there. See how it would look. Just seeing how it look on there. It will look pretty good. The top piece, I got another top piece which I'll probably use because it's in better shape to hold the handlebars. Also the handlebars, which are right here, I don't know, I may paint them black also. But yeah, this has been just a little quick update, unboxing update I guess you could say. Thank y'all.